What's good with y'all, man? This your boy Big J97. And man, you know I got some horrible stuff happening, right? So about 3 weeks ago, I cracked my S22 Ultra, and you know, since it's new and everything, I was trying to get it fixed, and bruh, nowhere got my glass in stock, so I'm kind of just waiting it out. I've been using my S9 Plus, but you know, this is some years back, and I had broke this too when I was out on the road about two years ago. So I had to give me a little everyday phone, man. So I got a little Motorola 5G Ace. We're gonna see what it's working with, but you know, we're gonna use this until somebody got my glass in stock, man, so I can get my phone fixed, cause I need that back. So let's go and crack it open, man. Let's see if they got specs on the box. No, not too many specs on the box. It says 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. The color is frosted silver. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Includes Motorola 5G Ace charger, cable, guides, and a SIM tool. Qualcomm Snapdragon. So let's open it up, and it is 5G. It is 5G. All right, so we're gonna set the phone to the side. It got a nice little weight to it. That's good. Ain't nothing cheap. See what's up in here. I've seen a bunch of videos on this little phone, so you know what I'm saying. It seemed like decent video, decent little phone. So I was like, shit, I might well just get this one till somebody got my shit in stock. And yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. We got SIM tool, little books and shit we don't need. USB-A to USB-C, 3-foot cord, nothing major. Another cord for me to keep in my truck. Perfect time. How fast is the block? Do they say? I don't think they say how fast the block is. I don't know if it's fast charging or what, but got another charging block. I got like 50 of these on my desk right now, bro. There you go, another one. 10, so it might be 10 watt. I have no idea. And then, yeah, 10 watt. Okay. 10 watt charger. 10 watt charger. I think that's all that's in there. Alright, let's bust it open. See if it see what it's looking like, man. It feels like a big ass phone though, I'm not gonna lie to you. Compared to my S9, it's like the size of my Note. So it's about the size of my Note. Well, not the Note. I had the Note 20 Ultra too, but it's like the size of, yeah, it's like the size of that, or the size of the 22. It says it has a 48 megapixel, shit, what that say? Quad pixel ultra wide macro. Got like 3 cameras on the back plus a flash. Oh man, that's crazy. Headphone port. USB-C with a headphone port. That's dope. SIM card tray right here on the side. Yeah, let's power it on. See what it do. Booting up. Slowly but surely.
Hello, Moto.
Hello, Moto. Okay. Battery look a little low, but I got you know what? Let's go ahead and switch to Sims, cause this one a little cracked. So we're gonna go ahead and switch to Sims. See what it do. Sim in my micro. I'm gonna take both of those out of there. Sim in the micro. Okay. Micro right here. Do it click in or something? I guess it's in. Yeah, it looks like it's in. I know I ain't supposed to be dragging it across the damn shit like that, but alright, let's see. Oh shit, that ain't the way it go. Shit, what the way it go in there? Damn, son. Hold up. We're having technical difficulties. Okay. We got it in. I connect to the Wi-Fi. Put my password in real quick. Sure. Connect. Coming up right now. You know what, y'all? Look, we're gonna go through this. I'm gonna go through this whole setup process. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on once we're done with everything. Be right back. Alright, y'all, we got it home, man. Seemed pretty cool, pretty smooth. The screen decent. Big screen, bright screen. Say got NFC. Shit, I mean, let's see if that flashlight hit no. It look dark, so you ain't gonna see no flashlight. I don't even know why I did that. Don't pay me no mind. But yeah, it's a decent little phone. Like I ain't planning on getting too deep into it. You know what I'm saying? I just want to unbox and check it out. It's still downloading all my apps and stuff, but let's see if they got a music player on here. I don't know if they got a music player. I'm about to download my Samsung Music again to try to play y'all something. Let's see what this do.
Shout out Mike. Jervis, big shark in the building. We're gonna do this one time for y'all. I'ma hop out with that switch, shoot a nigga dead. They call me Big Shark, I'ma fill him up with lead. Put that switch on the 303.
Ain't the best speaker, but it got a little volume to it, man. I mean, like I say, I'm gonna try it out. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm gonna use this until my stuff in stock. You know what I'm saying? And I go get that fixed when I got the time. But this should definitely work for me though. Big screen, it's not cracked, no flickering. That's pretty much all I care about. Big screen is not cracked and then you got no flickering, man. So, you know what I'm saying? I can play my videos. I don't know if this got a hotspot or not. For my tablet and shit. Let's see. Oh yes, it got hotspot. Okay, so we're gonna put hotspot up there. We need that hotspot. Need that dark mode switch button for sure, for sure. Got bedtime mode, selfie camera, audio effects. That's cool. That's cool. Put audio effects up there. We'll see what that do. But let's play around with that though. Audio effects. What is that? Continue. Bass punch. Let's see what that do. Bass punch. See if it make a difference.
Till I face so high, all my eyes are dead. That's why they can't say nothing. No, creeping with that blinky. I'm ugly, but I'm vicious.
Yeah. Bass punch do a little something. You feel it in the phone, but you can still tell it. You know what I'm saying? We not flagship quality speakers on this, but like I say, it's decent, bro. It's good enough for me to use, and you know what I'm saying? It's gonna work. As bright as the screen get. I don't know how it's gonna look outside, but that's how I look under my ring. Like you can see the reflection on there. So yeah, hey, it's gonna be a decent little phone, man. Decent little phone. You see how big the screen is. Like I said, compared to my S9, I'm going back to my original size. Like I got this little old iPhone here too. Compared to this little iPhone 7, yeah. So it's good. It's good. I can rock with it. At least to the big 22 back in action, I can rock with it for sure. But hey man, I ain't gonna get too deep into it. Like I said, it's a cool little phone, decent little phone. I think you can find these for like $2 something. This is the Motorola One 5G Ace. I think you can find these for like $2 something. You know what I'm saying? Get you one. If you need a little phone, you need a little cheap phone, cheap big phone. It's affordable big phone. You know what I'm saying? Flat screen too, none of that curved stuff. You know that curved glass costs more. It's a rough life out here. But to the next video, man, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Like if you want to, comment if you want to, subscribe if you want to, because at the end of the day, you're gonna do what you want to do. It's your boy Big John 97, man. I'm out to the next video. Go tell your grandma to tell her side nigga to tell his grandkids to come over here and subscribe, because we get to it on this side. I'll holler at you.